took a short break to visit my son in college, and when I was there, I prepared this simple and easy recipe, cumin chicken. Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who just found my channel today, welcome on board. For my subscribers, thank you for your support. Cumin chicken is today's recipe. It's very simple and easy to prepare. If you don't know how to cook, this is a recipe to go. Just follow my ingredients and you can surprise your family member with this new recipe. You can do it. So let's get cooking right now. Before moving on to prepare this recipe, for those of you who just found my channel today, do me a big favor, hit the button below, subscribe. Thank you for your support. With just a few ingredients that you can pick up from a grocery store, you can prepare this recipe within less than 30 minutes. By the look and color of this recipe, you're probably guessing this is curry recipe. Well, not exactly. It's very much like curry and butter chicken, but if you really want to find out how it tastes like, give this recipe a try. Don't forget to click the button below, subscribe, and let me know. I'm using about 3 pounds of chicken thighs, chopped them in small chunks and marinated with 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chives, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Later on, I also added a little bit more turmeric for coloring. Then finally, 1/8 teaspoon of Kaffir lime leaf powder. Then mix all the ingredients up. Make sure the chicken is coated with all the herbs. Then add 1/2 cup of milk. If you have yogurt, you can use yogurt as well. Mix all the ingredients together with the milk. Add about 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper and marinate it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. By the way, this recipe serves really well with steamed rice, so don't forget to cook a pot of rice. On a non-stick pan, I prefer because it's much easier. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then add in 1.5 tablespoons of minced shallot and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Stir fry these 2 ingredients until its aromatic comes out, then add in chicken and sear on one side, then flip to the other side and continue to stir fry it. Then add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 additional 1 tablespoon of sugar plus 1 to 2 teaspoons of my sweet chili sauce. Then I'm going to close the lid and cook for the next 10 minutes under medium heat. This process will allow all the herbs to incorporate into the chicken meat. And that's it. My recipe is almost done. Now I'm just going to go ahead and reduce it under high heat to thicken the sauce. And ladies and gentlemen, my cumin chicken recipe is ready. To finish off this recipe, I added a 1/4 cup of roasted cashew nuts and garnish with chopped parsley. You can also prepare a side dish like the one I have here, or you can prepare any type of side dish to go with your cumin chicken and rice. Thank you so much for your time. Until then, take care.